Can you make your live streams as captivating as a Doctor Who marathon? Just like the Doctor keeps us on the edge of our seats, your live streams can too. I'm ELISE Michelle Nelson. I'm a YouTube business strategist and lead generator, which means that I help you use video to create visibility and generate leads for your business. And today, we're talking about how to host a successful YouTube live stream. First, you gotta set up your streaming equipment, like preparing the TARDIS for a new adventure. A reliable camera and microphone are your sonic screwdriver and psychic paper. Essential tools for a smooth journey. Good lighting is like the perfect time vortex. It can make everything look amazing. And be sure to have a high-speed internet connection as your way to avoid a weeping angel-like freeze during your stream. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you never miss a tip to create visibility and generate leads for your business. Engaging with your audience in real time is key. Imagine you're the Doctor, interacting with companions. Address your viewers by name. Respond to their comments and use polls to make them feel part of the adventure. Preparing topics in advance is like having a handy-dandy TARDIS manual to keep the conversation flowing. Just like the Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver reveals hidden secrets, my Create Visibility and Generate Leads with YouTube playlist will show you how to unlock the power of the second largest search engine to boost your business revenue and get free traffic without ads. Finally, make sure that you promote your live stream beforehand. Announce it on all your social media channels like you're broadcasting a message through the time vortex. Create teasers to build anticipation, like the thrilling previews of the next Doctor Who episode. And be sure to collaborate with influencers so that you can widen your reach and meet even more people. For those of you who are ready to embark on a deeper adventure through time and space, become the Time Lord of your YouTube journey with me as your trusty companion. Together, we'll navigate step by step how to harness YouTube as your ultimate tool for leads and sales in your small business. Ready to time travel to success? Sign up at myscheduledbiz.com/cohort. I'm so glad we get to live our dreams together every single day. I hope to see you next time. Allons-y!